Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this new pre-bleached water wave wear and go glueless HD lace closure wig from Bgmgirl hair. They are beasts when it comes to these Bgmgirl wigs, but they recently upgraded and started selling these pre-bleached knots wigs for you guys. So yeah, she's looking extremely natural and she's also looking very beautiful. I have this wig in 180% density and in 24 inches. So as always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing. Bgmgirl hair loves to send so many goodies along with their wig units, which makes it even more worth it to purchase from them. So again, this texture is their water wave texture. It is a wear and go glueless wig, HD lace closure wig, by the way. So it does come with pre-cut lace. It also comes with pre-bleached knots. It's HD lace, and it also comes pre-plucked for you. So yeah, straight out the box, you don't have anything to do as far as customizing. She comes ready for you to just throw on and go. Those knots are literally nowhere to be found. She's super pretty. Inside of the wig, you do have the dome cap, which is a lot more stretchy and comfortable, and the adjustable strap for a nice glueless wig install as well. So as always, I'm just giving you guys some more close-ups of all the wig details, including how much lace room you have on that lace as well. Remember, we will be doing a nice glueless, no spray, no glue wig install today. So all you have to do is just add some makeup on your lace. Then you are going to adjust that adjustable strap to your preference, and then you're just going to throw her on and see how she fits. And once I'm comfortable with how she's fitting and stuff like that, that's when I go ahead and start customizing. So technically the install is done, you guys. Installing means you only had to throw it on and that's it. Now we are styling the wig unit. So I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb just to get all the unnecessary hair out of my face, because I know you guys see that the lace is looking a little light. So we will be adding just a little bit more foundation right at the edge of the lace, and then I'm also going to add a lighter foundation in the middle part area, because naturally your scalp is a lot lighter than your skin tone, so I wanted to mimic that. And then I also use my mascara wand just to kind of tighten up the part area just a little bit, but you guys will see me do that on camera. It's a lot more easier to watch versus me explaining it. I just felt like the part was looking just a little bit too wide and a little too messy, so I just really wanted to fix it. Okay, she's looking really good. You guys see why I fixed that part area. I hope you guys noticed the difference versus how it looked before. But the lace is looking really good. She's looking extremely natural. So normally I would go in with my wax stick and my hot comb and really make sure the top of the wig is laying completely flat. But she was already looking really flat to me, so that was another step that we could skip today, which I was happy about. So now we are going to refresh and define the curls. One thing I love about the water wave texture is that it's curly enough, but it's not too much. Like, I love curly wig units, but I hate when it's like too tight. So yeah, water wave is definitely my preference when it comes to curly wig units. What you want to do is spray each section, and you want to make sure that the water is getting on each and every hair strand. I like to make sure that the water is smoothed into the hair first. Then I go ahead and I use my Demon brush. The Demon brush definitely helps to define the curls even more, and you guys will see how beautiful the curls were looking without me adding any product just yet. The curls were coming out very defined, and I was like, there is no product in this hair whatsoever for these curls to be looking like this, but they looked extremely beautiful. And then to set the curls, I just went in with a little bit of gel, or you can use mousse if you wanted to, but yeah, the curls was looking beautiful with and without product. It was crazy. So one side is done, so I'm showing you guys the wet side versus the dry side. So I did go ahead and I did the back off camera, but I'm showing you guys what I did to the front just so I could talk to you about how the hair texture is and the quality. Just like I said, I have my reasoning for preferring water wave curly wig units over the other curly wig units. I just feel like it's just enough, it's beautiful. And as you guys saw, this hair was super full, so full, so I was definitely feeling that. Also, I did not have excessive tangling and I did not have excessive shedding. One of the advice that I always give to people is that when it comes to curly wig units, it doesn't matter if it's water wave all the way up to kinky curly. You do not want to operate on the hair while it is dry or try to detangle it while it is dry. Water is always your best friend when it comes to curly hair texture, so just remember that. So we are all finished. I actually do really love this hair texture while it is soaking wet. If you actually prefer this look, you would just add a whole lot more product, and I mean like tons of product if you prefer the wet curly look. But I did just let her dry, of course. You can also use a diffuser or a blow dryer, but make sure you blow dry on cool air because you don't want it to get too frizzy or anything like that. But this was the final result, you guys. Look how full and how fluffy and how luxurious this hair is. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I wish you guys were here in person, that way you can see how pretty it looks, and the lace is everything. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below for all the info. Shout out to BGM Girl Hair, and thank you guys so much for tuning in.